Yo, what's going on, Iron Beast? Dom here. We're gonna jump right into kettlebells and do a full body workout. We're gonna do about 5 to 6 exercises. It's gonna be fast, quick, in a hurry. It should probably take no more than about 10 minutes of your time, your day. This is what you should be doing at home if you can't afford a gym, or if you just don't have the time to go to gym. Everybody's always at the house, so let's jump right into it. Stay focused.
So let's get some kettlebell swings going on. 30 seconds. Make sure you guys are flexing all your muscles, making them tense. These exercises, you're supposed to be doing that. Keep that keep that core tight. 4, 3, 2, 1. There's about 15-second break. We could even do like a 5-second break. Really don't need it. All right, here we go. Another lap. Six seconds. 1. Ooh. I know you guys are feeling the burn because I am. We'll do a 10-second on this one and we'll start back up. You should be feeling these exercises, the kettlebell swing, pretty much in your core, your hams, pretty much your arms and shoulders as well, because you're swinging out. All right, so let's get to it. This is the last exercise with kettlebell swings for right now. Four seconds. Time. Let's start on with the next one. So, I gotta be careful with my roofs. $11 seconds. 2 seconds. Time. Go ahead and switch over. We'll do 30 seconds each side. You guys should feel your legs burning, your core burning. 8 seconds. Pause. We'll do one more. 10 seconds. I'm using an 8-kilo ball, which is 16 pounds. Time. Jump on to the next side. 10 seconds. Time. So this is called the goblet squat. You're going to take the kettlebell like this and start. Go more than shoulder width apart. Make sure you're keeping that core nice and tight. And make sure you're driving always through your heels. You should never be on your toes. You're going to fall forward. Keep that back in alignment. 9 seconds. 3. Time. Take a quick break. Take about 10 seconds. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. If you guys are enjoying this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, hit that bell icon, because we're going to be doing more of these type of exercises at home with and without weights. Give it another 5 seconds and we'll start the next goblet squat. All right, here we go. Focus on squeezing all the muscles that you can. Make sure you're driving through your heels. 16 seconds to go. Five seconds. Don't quit now. Time. That's it for this one. Let's go to the next one. Go ahead, start. We're going to do 30 seconds each side. Keep that core tight. 14 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. Drive through your heels. 2 seconds. Time. Let's go ahead and start the other side. Thirteen seconds. One time. Alright, so what we're going to do now is a sumo high pull. This is pretty much like the upright rows going like this, but you're doing a sumo squat. You're going to have a wider balance or a wider stance, just like a sumo deadlifter. Let's get to it. Alright, here's a starting position like this. 30 seconds. Five seconds. Time. Take a 10-second break and we'll start the next one. It's going to be the same one. You can already see I'm sweating. If you're wondering why I'm a little bit chunky, it's because I'm bulking right now. It's winter out, but I'm bulking. So leave in the comments, what is your guys' favorite exercise that you'd like to do, whether if it's at home with weights, in a gym without weights, in a gym with weights. At my gym, I see all kind of athletes, fitness athletes. You got bodybuilders, you got body weight exercise, you got calisthenics, you got CrossFit people. So let me know in the comments what you guys like. Sumo squat, here we go. Make sure you're driving through your heels. Keep that core tight as best as possible. 7 seconds. Time. All right, we're going to single arm row. Left leg forward, left hand forward. Let's do 30 seconds. This is going to be a row. Twelve seconds. Two seconds. Time. Go ahead and switch sides. 30 seconds. This is going to be the last exercise of the day. Eight seconds. Time. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout today. Check out the ironbeast.org. That is the ironbeast.org. That's my website where you can buy fitness clothing for men and women. There's fitness bags, hats, everything. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave the link in the description at the end. And that exercise kicked my ass. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a blessed Tuesday.